Right now, there's a small group of people quietly making thousands of dollars every month online. And no, they're not selling sketchy products, running ads, or grinding away for hours a day. They've tapped into a loophole, a way to use free AI tools so smartly that it feels like cheating. And here's the shocking part. Anyone watching this video could start doing it tonight. If you think making money online means years of trial and error or expensive courses, forget that. This is about using technology to shortcut the hardest parts so you can start faster, grow quicker, and make more. Without risk, step 1. Turn AI into your silent business partner. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. That's why they stay broke. The winners use it like a personal business consultant, one that works 24/7 and charges nothing. Imagine typing in, "Give me a step-by-step plan to launch a digital product in the fitness niche." Based on what's trending this month, with 10 content ideas that will go viral, and within seconds, you have the exact blueprint people pay agencies thousands for. That's what you have access to right now for free. Step 2, sell with your eyes. Not just words online, your first impression decides everything. If your content looks average, it disappears. That's where Canva Magic Studio comes in. You can take ChatGPT scripts and instantly turn them into stunning YouTube thumbnails, high-converting Instagram posts, TikTok videos, and even add banners. No Photoshop skills, no expensive designers, just drag, drop, and post. And here, the trick the pros use, create 3 different designs for the same content and test them. The one with the best clicks becomes your winner. Step 3, go where the money already flows. Most people create content and hope someone wants it. That's why they fail. Instead, open Google Trends and see exactly what the world is searching for today. Find a topic exploding in interest and feed it into ChatGPT. Ask it to create content, products, or offers based on that trend. You're not guessing, you're cashing in on what's already hot. Now picture this. A trending idea from Google Trends gives a fully written plan from ChatGPT, gives pro visuals from Canva, gives it published in under 24 hours. That's how ordinary people are building online incomes in weeks, not years. The difference between them and you, they took action. So here's your challenge. Before midnight tonight, find one hot trend, build one piece of content, and post it. Then comment done below so I know you're not just watching, you're building. Because right now, the internet is moving at lightning speed. The next wave of online millionaires, they're not waiting for permission, they're creating. And they're doing it while you're still here, deciding if you should try.